Oh yeah, check out what I just got in the mail. I got this Hot Wheels Monster Truck M case. Let's open it up and check it out. No, I do not need your help. Running down the track. Oh yeah. Hey, bring it. All right. I am all sorts of out of order on these cases. You guys, I just recently opened up the 2024 E-case. Let me grab my trusty knife. And there we go. Let's get the first truck out. All right, we have a recolor on the Cage Rattler. He's got some pretty cool card art. He's of the Beast Basher series. He's got some fangs with a split tongue right there. He's a white roll cage and a black chassis. His crash attack is strike first. Makes sense for a rattlesnake. All right, next truck up. We have Bored to Be Wild. This is not a recolor. He's still a pretty cool casting. He has an orange roll cage and a silver chassis. He's of the Freestyle Wreckers, and his crash attack is Thrasher. That's an awesome skateboarding truck. All right, next truck up in the case. All right, we have a recolor on the Dodge Charger RT. I like that pink color. My daughters ought to like that one. He's got some pretty cool card art. These are the Freestyle Wreckers, and he's got a black roll cage and a silver chassis. He's got a red crushed car, and his crash attack is the Horsepower Hustle. Who doesn't love a Dodge Charger? All right, next truck up. We have Godzilla. I've opened this one up in the past. He's not my favorite, but he's pretty cool. He's got a green roll cage and a black chassis. He's got a blue crushed car, and his crash attack is Heat Ray. Next truck up. And who doesn't love Mega Wreck? He's got like a blue-green roll cage and a silver chassis. He's in the Hot Wheels live trucks, so you can see him live and in person. He's got a yellow crushed car, and his crash attack is Dino Bite. Always cool to have another Mega Wrecks. Now this is the truck I have been wanting to have. The classic TV series Batman. Check that bad boy out. Now, I do not have this truck, but overall, what an amazing truck. I love the glossy finish on that. He's got that Batman signal there. Oh, I love that front bumper. Check that out. He's got a black roll cage and a silver chassis. He's got those cool silver wheels. That's pretty cool card art as well. On the back, his crash attack is Pow Bam Slam. So I can't wait to see this running down the track. Oh yeah. Hey, bring it. All right. And the final two trucks, we have this electric Bigfoot. I have not seen this. It's of the Leading Legend series, and its crash attack is Shock King. Let's open this up really quick and check it out. Yellow crushed cart. That is pretty sweet. Battery powered Bigfoot. All these electric shocks all over. I just love this truck. I mean, I love the blue wheels. It matches all the electricity. Silver chassis, purple roll cage. Awesome stuff. And the final truck of the 2024 M case is this recolor on Demo Derby. He's of the Champion Crasher series. He has some really cool card art. And who doesn't love this gold series on these trucks? Of course, he has a gold roll cage and a black chassis. And his crash attack is tough as gold. So really a cool monster truck. And there you have it, the 2024 Monster Truck M case. And we'll see you all real soon on the next video.